dinner, I am going to make Marry Me chicken. So I'm sauteing the chicken. I've got chicken stock, I've got heavy cream, Parmesan, and then for our sides we've got potatoes and green beans from the garden. I do have okra, and I don't know, I might do okra. We'll see. I have rice for everybody else, and that will be dinner. So I used this Zinfandel in sauce. It's gonna cook down for a while. So I'm kind of not doing Marry Me chicken anymore. I got this from Walmart. I got this big bottle a long time ago, like, I don't know, 3-4 months ago. It's not good to drink now, really. But it's good to cook with. So I don't drink wine fast enough. It's just not, I don't know. I'm the only one that really drinks it in the house, and I don't really drink it. So what I do drink, I am drinking this though, this mango lemonade. It's pretty good. It's not horrible. I mean, it's definitely diety tasting. But yeah, I'm gonna cook this down. I do need to add some chicken stock to it as well. So let me do that real quick. So I used a cup of the white wine and now a cup of the chicken stock. And I'm gonna let that cook down for a bit. And then I'm gonna add the chicken back in here in just a minute. And the cream, heavy cream, and then the cheese will also go in there in a little bit as well. But I need that to cook down just a bit. All right, so I added some cream and some garlic, and now I'm gonna add the chicken back to it. So it just rained and these just started to pop up. I think they're called Autumn Beauty. And they're just so pretty. They're viney. I love them. But we have them all over the place and they're just starting to bloom like crazy and they smell amazing. I don't know how I missed it, but look! It's turning colors! Hooray! Finally! And so's the other one. Oh my goodness. It's so exciting. Peppers are just so hard for me to grow. And I spy another one. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Ridiculously excited about the color of a pepper. Hold on. Get this leaf. Look at that. Oh my word. It's so big too. It's huge. Now, one thing I can grow is banana peppers, except this year. So it definitely has taken a beating, but I do see new growth. So that's good to see, but I'm happy with eating one or two every once in a while. I'm gonna let this one get a little bit bigger. It's pretty small. And now for my daily visit to check on the pumpkin. Doing so good. So happy. And then the other one. It's doing good too. I know I need to weed around here, and that will happen. Actually, right now it is raining, and it's like perfect weather for out here to weed, but I don't really have time tonight. I don't think. We'll see. But it feels amazing out here compared to the like 95, 100 degree weather that we've had. It feels so good out here right now. I mean, this weather is so nice and cool compared to what it's been lately. It's been like 95 degrees out here. All right, so I am by the yellow pear tomato plant that I have, and it's prolific. I mean, it grows a lot, but the only thing is we've had just horrible weather, so it splits. And so I don't think it's not the plant's fault, it's this weather. Just it gets so hot and then it rains and then they split. Now my cherry tomatoes, they're doing fine, but I don't know, these are splitting. And so are my big tomatoes are too. See the split on it? They're starting to, so I'm picking it right away. One thing I do is I always pick my tomatoes before they're ripe, fully ripe. When I see that they're blushing, when they're just a little bit pink or when they're slightly yellow, I pick them. I mean, you can pick them when they're green too, but I don't like to wait, because every time I wait, they split, or bugs, or some sort of disease, or blossom end rot has gotten to them, and I don't want to chance that. So I always pick them when they're, blushing, and especially when it's raining. I'm like, oh no, I gotta go collect some before they all start to split. So there's a tip for you. Another thing that has done really well here is the cantaloupe. And this one I think is ready. Yep. Comes off really easily. It's all yellow. It smells amazing. So it's ready. So I'm getting squash bugs right now. I mean, they are all over everything right now, and you can see them. They're horrible. And I could start spraying and stuff, but honestly, I just don't have the motivation to do it this year. I'm just kind of done and tired. I've been going, but I'm just gonna pick what I can have and let them have what they get.